Introducing heat to power. Unlock countless hours of free electricity with our cutting-edge energy storage devices. Harness the stored or converted energy to transition towards cleaner power sources or tap into direct heat utilization. Daniel, our skilled innovator, has developed a series of unique catalytic formulas that enable exothermic reactions from H2 combustion processes. This breakthrough allows for the looping of ammonia and H2 gases, achieving an extraordinary coefficient of performance, C.O.P, of 6:1. Manufactured by Secure Supplies, our green gas-to-heat technology is seamlessly integrated into leading heat exchangers, heat cyclic engines, and gas pressure-operated steam CHP Rankine cycle turbines. Now, let's delve into the remarkable benefits of our system. By utilizing a low boiling point refrigerant gas, we empower you to generate power and drive hydraulic systems with optimal efficiency. This innovative approach maximizes the potential of your power and heat systems, creating seamless synergy between them. Upgrade your site with Secure Supplies heat to power technology. Join us in shaping a greener future. www.secure.supplies